Let's discuss about the polling option in Meta Workplace. To create a poll, you have to be in any of the groups. Let's see the step by step. First, I am clicking on create a post from here or from here. Create a post. As the first step, I have to choose the group where I am going to have the polling. I choose the IT at ISU group. Then I type what is my polling is about. For example, I am asking the mobile devices of the users. Go to the poll icon, click on it, and add your options. I am adding Apple. Then the next option is Samsung. Then one more option, click on add option and add another device called Nokia. You can have your images in the right side by clicking on upload image. If you want to have more option, click on it. There are settings option. You can have an end date and time. I'll add a day and an end time. So by this time, the poll will be automatically closed. There is an option called reduced bias. If you enable it, currently the option is Apple, Samsung and Nokia. That is the order. If you turn on the reduced bias option, for the next user, it will be shuffled manner, like Samsung, Apple and Nokia, or Nokia, Apple and Samsung. The options will be shuffled to avoid any kind of biasing. Hide voters. This means if a particular user is voting, his name will not be visible for the admin whenever they are counting the votes. It will be helpful in case of any elections or secret voting, that you can toggle it on or off. There are additional poll settings in it. You can have the options to allow people to choose multiple answers or people to add more answers than the listed answers from your poll questions. Once all the settings is completed, click on post. It will be posted to your group. Once it is posted, it will come to that particular group as a question or a poll added by you. The users will be able to mark their choices. You will see how many votes have received immediately. You can export the results and see your results like this. If you wanted to have a Q&A session to your group members, you can have it. Click on post and choose the team you wanted to have the Q&A. Type the subject of the Q&A. I'm just giving an example as Q&A. Then go to the three dots, choose the host a Q&A session. So right now you are hosting a Q&A session. You can schedule it and post it. In your team, you can have a post to your colleagues mentioning that you are hosting a Q&A. We have one more useful facility like an achievement post, which means go to any groups and click on the achievements option. You can share with your colleagues the achievement. Here you will be typing the achievement. For example, I'll type a promotion achievement. Then you can tag your team members, post it. You can have any photo or video from your system to enhance the post. It will be appeared in your group as an achievement. Group admins can create surveys in their groups. If a group has more than one admin, all of the admins will have the same access to surveys created in the group. The surveys can last for a maximum of 1 year, that means 365 days, and there must be a minimum of 4 members in a group for surveys to be published. In the survey area, you can see the drafts or active surveys and the completed surveys. In order to create a survey, click on the Create Survey button. Here you have to complete a step-by-step process of filling the details. First, let's start with giving a title for your survey. You have the option to choose whether it is a test survey or not. Once you toggle it on, your receivers will see it's a test survey. We have 3 channels to deliver the survey. First option is through the work chat, then through an email or as a link. You can choose any of them according to your convenience. Let's choose the first one. Then you have a short invitation message to your recipients to make it more personally appealing. Then click to continue. In the next step, we need to add the questions. There are multiple options in each questions. The user can answer it as a text answer, which means he can type it by himself, or multiple choice, which means in your survey itself you will give more than one answer. The user can choose either one or a few from the list. Single choice answer, like a radio button, only one answer will be able to choose for that particular question. There is a scale from disagree to agree, and another scale from not at all to extremely. It will be very useful and mostly used type of questions in surveys. You can add up to 20 questions to your survey. In each questions, you can define the response type. Once all your questions are completed, click on continue. We will be choosing the recipients. In the first step, we can have a set of people from the Meta Workplace itself. In the second option, you can have a manual list so that there will be a predefined Excel template. We can import that file and fill in the information and upload it. Third option, you have groups. You can choose any of the already created groups and have the survey with that groups only. Let me choose the IT group to continue. Here, you can schedule the survey. The date option says from which date the survey will be started, at what time it will be started, and you can choose the duration of the survey so that after the specified duration the survey will be closed automatically. You can only edit a survey if it is in draft mode or if it is scheduled but not yet running. Deleting a survey will permanently delete it and all the data related to it. You can choose to run the survey at one time only to everyone, or as a recurring to random samples in the group. You will get proper notifications to your desktop and mobile devices to attend the survey. Click on the notification and go to the survey. Click on take survey. Your questions will be presented to you as per the predefined order by the admin. You can mark your options and click submit to complete your survey. This will be notified to the admin and it will be calculated in the final result. In this example, you can see how you can attend the survey using your mobile devices. Once you complete it, click to submit to complete the survey. You can view results for active or completed surveys by clicking the three dots next to the survey and selecting the view option. This is available for active, started and complete surveys. By clicking the three dots next to a survey, you can also edit, duplicate, unmark as test, delete or cancel the survey.